Can't hear sound on Instagram posts or Reels? Don't worry, this is a common issue, and it's usually very easy to fix. In this quick guide, I'll show you several simple ways to restore sound on Instagram. First, make sure the video isn't muted. Open the Instagram app and play the post or Reel. If you see a speaker icon with a slash, tap on it once to turn the sound back on. Second, check your phone's volume. While the video is playing, press the volume up button on the side of your phone to increase the media volume. Third, check your Bluetooth connection. Sometimes your phone may be connected to wireless headphones or another device. Swipe down from the top of your screen and make sure Bluetooth isn't connected to any device. If it is, disconnect it and try playing the video again. Fourth, try restarting the Instagram app. Close the app completely, remove it from your recent apps, and then open it again. If the sound still isn't working, the last step is to update or reinstall Instagram. Go to your App Store, search for Instagram, and install any available updates. If there's no update, delete the app and install it again, then log back into your account. After trying these steps, the sound on Instagram posts and Reels should start working again. And that is, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. For more practical tips, thanks for watching.